Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And last night I was using this same exact graphic. And I mentioned in there we need to change the nodes. And if we select them all, this was still not working correctly. Well, viewer, subscriber, I know this. I should have mentioned it last night. But sometimes you forget. If you select it all and go up to Object and combine it, doesn't really change anything. But when you have the nodes in and you select all those nodes, then you can go up here and type in 20% and it'll reduce the nodes by 20%, or I don't even know if it's a percentage, but if we back up here and look, if we select all these nodes, well, let's combine it again. There are 5,783 nodes, but if we select them all where they turn dark or blue and type in 20 and hit enter, now in the same exact deal we have 436 nodes, quite a bit less. This would really help a plasma cutter. Didn't really change the graphic. Let's back up here and see if it changed. Changed a little bit, but you can always change that back and fix things. It changed this, but look at this line right here. Let's see if it changes it. Changes a little bit, but the less nodes, look at the amount of nodes on there. Let's do that again. Let's select all the nodes. 5783 versus, I grabbed an indexing line. Let me just get rid of that rectangle. That'll solve that problem. Versus 436, quite a bit less. You're going to get a rounder objects and a lot better cutting, especially with the plasma cutter. So use the combine. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.